Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create your WeChat account without scanning QR code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is first access your WeChat on your mobile phone. Once you do that, you gotta allow, and now you have to tap on this sign up option, right? Sign up via Facebook, sign up via mobile, and then afterwards if you tap on continue, now you have to add in all of your information. Again, once you have tap on accept and continue option, you will get this QR option, right? First you have to, if you don't have your friends right there available for you to help, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and turn off your internet connection once, so you won't get that again. Then after, you have to go back, complete your puzzle, and again turn it off your Wi-Fi connection, and that way that particular scan step will be skipped, right? So that is how you can trick it. Otherwise you will have to take your friend's help and simply scan the QR code. That is the easy way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.